Belching. Otherwise it is known as burping or eructation. Today we will know why belching occurs, what is the causes of belching, and emergency issue. Belching is the act of expelling air from the stomach through the mouth. It usually occurs when the stomach distends, or expands, because of too much swallowed air. Now we will know that. What causes belching? Belching occurs when the stomach fills with swallowed air. There are a number of reasons why more air than normal may be swallowed. The most common reasons are: first, eating or drinking too quickly; second, drinking carbonated beverages; and third, anxiety. Babies and young children may swallow large amounts of air without realizing it. It is possible to belch when the stomach isn't full of air. This is usually because belching has become a habit or a tool for reducing abdominal discomfort. AEROPHAGIA is the voluntary or involuntary swallowing of air. Swallowing excessive amounts of air can happen when eating or drinking too quickly. It can also occur when talking and eating at the same time, chewing gum, sucking on hard candies, drinking through a straw, smoking, having an anxiety attack, hyperventilating, breathing through your nose. Some foods and drinks can also cause more frequent belching. These include carbonated drinks, alcohol, and foods high in starch, sugar, or fiber that cause gas. Some medical conditions may also include belching as a symptom. However, as belching is a natural response to abdominal discomfort, there must be other symptoms present to make a diagnosis. Emergency issues. Belching as a single symptom isn't usually cause for concern unless it's frequent or excessive. If your stomach has been distended for a long period and belching doesn't relieve it, or if the abdominal pain is severe, seek medical attention immediately. Self-treatment for belching. If you're belching excessively, or if your stomach is distended and you can't expel the air, lying on your side usually helps. Adopting a knees to chest position can also be helpful. Hold the position until the gas passes.